Part 11. School, College, Classroom and Presentation English. Hello everyone. Welcome back. I'm Isha. I'm so happy you're here again. Today's lesson is perfect for students and anyone who wants to speak English confidently in school, college, or the classroom. We'll also learn how to give a simple presentation in English. So, relax. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence after me. And speak with confidence. Let's begin. Lesson 79, School Conversation. Imagine you're at school. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing well. Thank you. Which class are you in? I'm in class 12. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. That's wonderful. Who is your English teacher? Mrs. Sharma. She teaches very well. Thank you. Have a great day. You too. Now repeat the conversation. Excellent. Lesson 80, College Conversation. Imagine you're in college. Hello. Hi. Is this seat available? Yes. Please sit down. Thank you. Which course are you studying? I'm studying computer science. That's interesting. What year are you in? I'm in my second year. Good luck with your studies. Thank you. Nice talking to you. Nice talking to you too. Repeat everything. Excellent. Lesson 81, Classroom Conversation. Imagine you're inside the classroom. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. Please open your books. Yes, ma'am. Turn to page 20. Done. Does anyone have a question? Yes, I do. Could you explain this again? Of course. Thank you. You're welcome. Now repeat the conversation. Very good. Lesson 82, Library Conversation. Imagine you're in a library. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. May I help you? Yes, please. I'm looking for an English grammar book. Certainly. It's on the second floor. Can I borrow this book? Yes. You can keep it for 2 weeks. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Enjoy reading. Excellent. Lesson 83, Presentation Practice. Imagine you're giving a presentation. Good morning, everyone. Today, I'd like to talk about the importance of learning English. English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. It helps us communicate with people from different countries. Learning English also creates better opportunities for education and careers. Thank you for listening. Do you have any questions? Thank you. Wonderful. Repeat everything again. Lesson 84, Daily Vocabulary. Today's words. Classroom. Classroom. Homework. Homework. Assignment. Assignment. Presentation. Presentation. Library. Library. Student. Student. Teacher. Teacher. Education. Education. Repeat after me. I finished my homework. I have an English assignment. The presentation was excellent. The library is very quiet. Wonderful. Lesson 85. Pronunciation Practice. Repeat after me. Presentation. Assignment. Education. Classroom. Library. Student. Teacher. Knowledge. Excellent. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Lesson 86. Listening Practice. Now just listen. Sarah is a college student. Every morning, she attends her English class. She completes her assignments on time and spends 1 hour in the library every evening. Last week, she gave a presentation about technology. Her teacher appreciated her confidence and clear pronunciation. Now Sarah enjoys speaking English every day. Now answer. Where does Sarah spend 1 hour every evening? In the library. Why did her teacher appreciate her? Because of her confidence and clear pronunciation. Excellent. Lesson 87. Speaking Confidence. Repeat after me. I enjoy learning English. I ask questions confidently. I speak clearly. I listen carefully. Every lesson improves my English. I am becoming more fluent. I believe in myself. I will never stop learning. Fantastic. You're doing an amazing job. Congratulations. You've completed part 11 of our English speaking practice series. Thank you for staying with me until the end. Every lesson you complete brings you one step closer to speaking English naturally and confidently. Remember, don't worry if you make mistakes. Every mistake is a chance to learn something new. The secret to speaking fluent English is simple. Listen every day. Repeat every day. Speak every day. If you found today's lesson helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support inspires me to create more free English lessons, real-life conversations, vocabulary practice, pronunciation exercises, listening activities, and spoken English sessions. In the next lesson, we'll practice English for festivals, friends, family, invitations, and social conversations, helping you speak confidently in everyday social situations. Thank you so much for learning with me. Keep practicing. Keep smiling. Keep speaking English every single day. I'm Isha. See you in the next lesson. Take care. Bye-bye.